Hi guys, so this is Aaliyah's her second retouch. She had a GinaCurl, she had one GinaCurl retouch, and now her second retouch, she's going into a thermal reconditioning. She is ready for something different. You can see she still has curl. Of course, I have protection on there, so it'll weigh down her curls, but you can see them here. And it's been 8 months since her last GinaCurl. So here's her roots. And we're going into a thermal reconditioning now. So you're gonna see how gorgeous this hair is. After it's done, we'll take some photos and show you. You can go into a thermal reconditioning right after a GinaCurl if you decide to. You cannot switch back to a GinaCurl once you do the thermal reconditioning. Only a straight variation can you switch back to. But that's the great thing about a GinaCurl, and that's what makes it so different than all the other curls out there, because you can't do a GinaCurl, Wave Nouveau, Carefree curl, and then switch to a straight technique, okay? So remember that. There's a difference, okay? Anyways, stay tuned, and we'll show you later her after. Okay guys, so we're done with her thermal. Again, remember, she came in for a GinaCurl. She came in for one retouch GinaCurl, and now today she got a thermal reconditioning, and you could do that with the GinaCurl. The good thing about it is that you could switch to a thermal. You can't do that with the other curly perms, remember. And you cannot put a relaxer on this. You can't mix the two chemicals together. So with all the other GinaCurls out there, you can't go and put a chemical to straighten your hair. With the GinaCurl, you can, and it's healthy. We have pictures of her hair when we first started, and it was up to here. And now look at this hair. Gorgeous.